Welcome to Smart Pension. With your account, you can take control of your financial future by signing in today, using our app, or going online through your web browser. Look out for an email from us with details on how to activate and sign into your account. Once signed in, you can see your account dashboard. Here, you can view and track your pension savings, as well as update your personal details whenever you need to. You'll be able to see both your and your employer's contributions, as well as your investment return. You can also view your contributions. If you want to change or manage how much you contribute to your pension, you might need to contact your employer. You can also set your retirement age, which is important to do. You'll also find some handy tools to help you plan your retirement and make informed financial decisions. The pension calculator can help you plan for the retirement you want. You'll get a projection of your retirement income based on your estimated retirement age, the state pension, and your contribution percentage. Change your contribution percentage and retirement age to see how they can impact your future lifestyle. You can also compare your projection with the amount you might need to live comfortably in retirement. Your pension contributions are automatically invested into the Smart Sustainable Growth Fund. Learn more about your investment options and what you're invested in. You can also change which funds your money is invested in by choosing the Do-It-Yourself option and comparing funds. In your inbox, you can find all our communication, including your annual pension statement. The Beneficiaries section allows you to let us know who should receive the money left in your Smart Pension account if you pass away before reaching retirement. This is an important step because pension savings are not part of your will and do not form part of your estate when you die. The to-do list helps you keep on top of important things, like keeping your contact information up to date, confirming your details, and completing your expression of wish. Remember, if you have set your account up to your work email address, please make sure to provide us with your personal email address so we can make sure you don't lose track of your savings, even if you change jobs. If you have other pension savings from other employers, you can add them to your dashboard, giving you a clearer view of your retirement savings. You can also transfer them to your Smart Pension account, which could save you money on charges. You can also access our Financial Wellbeing Hub, which contains useful articles, money-saving tips, and tools for managing your finances. The menu bar at the top right gives you access to security options, such as changing your password, personal details, a help section, account information, and your policy number. In extra services, you'll find Smart Rewards. As a Smart Pension member, you can enjoy Smart Rewards, a free benefit provided by Fizz Benefits Limited, offering discounts at your favourite online and high street retailers. If you can't find something or need help, please get in touch. Our expert team is always here to answer your questions, so if you want to talk to someone, you can call our UK support team. Visit your member account today by downloading the Smart Pension app or going to the following webpage.